just woke up, and actually today the weather is pretty nice outside. It's not very cold and not very warm, it's just like fine. So the last day I got a very nice profits from my trading account, and I thought to myself, okay, let me upgrade this Xiaomi. I have this typical Xiaomi Redmi phone. It's actually very nice, like it does the job, but I wanted a small upgrade and I thought to myself, okay, let me buy the newest iPhone. So after seeing some stores, they all told me they don't have the supply right now, I must take a waiting list or I can buy it from the internet. So I entered to the official Apple Store site and I was surprised with the price. Oh my god! But it's okay, I wanted this upgrade and I see it as a good investment, so I bought the phone. But the shipment was fast though, so let me show you some ASMR and let's continue. So actually, let's jump to the charts and let me show you the idea behind this trade that got me this one. So I was looking at EURUSD, the weekly charts, and as we can see, it's very extended to the downside. It was kinda scary to take any trade for the downside because I'm expecting a reversal soon. But because of the fundamentals we got for the dollar the past weeks, I thought to myself, okay, I will enter one more short trade before I see any clear direction in the markets. I was looking at the 4-hour time frame around this area here. I was watching the momentum building for the upside and I was ready to take a trade. So I marked this area around here as a huge supply because as we can see, there is a huge selling pressure around this area. Like just look at these 4 candles in a row. And here actually I took my first loss. I took it around this here, I got stopped out. So I told myself, okay, it can't go like much further. I will mark up my second supply area and it was around here. And it took me again. It shoots like very hard to the upside. So actually this is the reality of day trading. They never tell you about the losses, they never tell you about you can take several losses before getting a big trade. But this is okay, this is where the risk management comes in, and this is actually the importance of it. So here where I told myself, okay, I will wait and I will never take a trade before I see another confirmation first. I know the fundamentals were in my side, I know the technicals were in my side, but I was also seeing the institutions and the banks taking very hard liquidity from us. So around this area here, I started looking at the price and I saw it like rejecting to the downside. But I didn't understand why in this level. But when I took a step back and looked at the daily chart, I was seeing that it's reacting from the supply of the daily chart. So I entered my trade after the closing of the third candle to the downside. My stops were just above the last swing and my take profit was this line around here, because I was seeing a very hard support and the price can touch this zone and go straight up again. So I took all my profits around this area for 4.5 hour, but I already lost like 2 hour first. So the total gains for the day were 2.5 hour, but I'm more than happy with it. I got a big account and these gains are very nice for me. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and see you in another one.